Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add your social media profiles to your GitHub account. Go ahead and click on your profile on the upper right hand side, then click on profile. And from here, scroll down a bit, click on edit profile, and you'll be able to find social accounts down here. You have a maximum of 4 spaces to add social accounts, so you want to choose the best 4, right? Or the ones that you want to showcase. No, it's very easy. I'm gonna go ahead and over to YouTube right here and use it as an example. Let's just choose profile, our channel right here, and just copy this, right? Now, what you want to do, just simply head back over to your profile and just paste the link. I'm going to paste that as an example and just go ahead and click on save. Remember to click save, otherwise it will not show up. And so, for example, for the YouTube right here, you can see that it adds the YouTube channel right there. And that's pretty much it. So if you want to visit the channel or someone want to view your GitHub account, they find your social icons here, your website, your YouTube. It's going to click on it and it's going to take them right over to your YouTube profile or whichever account you literally put in under your account. That's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple.